Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You first enable Picture-in-Picture for apps on your Motorola. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Special App Access and tap Picture-in-Picture. Toggle YouTube on. If you watch in Chrome, make sure the browser's Site PyP option is enabled. Once done, update YouTube to the latest version so PyP behaves correctly. You need to allow overlays and background playback for full functionality. Because PyP requires app permission to draw over other apps, and keep audio/video act. You play a video and trigger PyP by leaving the YouTube app, press home or swipe up, and the video should shrink into a floating window. If you use gestures, perform the usual home gesture. On some Motorola models, pressing home twice or using the Recent Apps button also works. You can drag the PyP window, tap to reveal play/pause and back to app buttons, and resize by pinching in some launchers. If the video stops, make sure background playback isn't blocked by battery saver. To finish, close the PyP window with the X or drag it to a remove area. To return to full screen, tap the return button. If PyP doesn't start, verify YouTube has PyP permission and that battery optimization isn't restricting background activity. Disable battery saver or add YouTube to an exceptions list. If things still misbehave, reboot your Motorola, update or reinstall YouTube, and test with another video. Often a fresh restart or app reinstall fixes persistent PyP permission conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.